Hello, everybody. Welcome. Today, we want to talk about digital experience platforms and about the digital transformation. Well, that is why my guest and yours is Zsolt Balogh from Liferay. Hello, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
Well, first of all, my main question is, what is Liferay?
So Liferay is a company, it's a global company. We provide open source software for the past 15 years. Liferay provides a digital experience platform which can be used to build websites, portals, modern internet solutions for enterprise companies. We are a global player in the market, and we provide support for this solution for the whole world. Our CEE regional headquarters is based in Budapest, and we employ 70 people, and our products are particularly strong with flexibility, modularity, content management where it's needed. Our main solution is called Liferay Digital Experience Platform, Liferay DXP, which we are talking about today, which can be on-premise, so local, or cloud-based too. And using this solution, our customers can build their websites, their customer portals, their internet solutions, and we even including analytics for their customers or commerce engine. We have big enterprises as our customers. I can mention, for example, K&H in Hungary, Raiffeisen, Fundamenta, Volkswagen, Bosch, O2, Orange, Airbus, Alliance, just to name a few.
Okay, so please tell me, how can Liferay make life easier for companies that are using it?
So Liferay is a tool. Liferay DXP is a tool which helps Liferays to create their own digital channels and websites. So when companies think about digitalization, they need to build up their what they want to bring to these channels, and Liferay can help them to build them fast and an easy way. For example, if they have a digital experience platform, they can easily create a new landing page, a new form to build their customer engagement.
And what what are the main advantages of these solutions?
When using a solution like this, marketers or managers or people who are working with the content can easily create websites. They can easily create the pages. They can easily create sites where they can collect the information. So just a very current example is that to respond to coronavirus situation, some of our customers have created websites where hospitals can report shortages of PPE, personal protective equipment, and then these equipment can be shipped to the hospitals in time. And by having this DXP solution ready and in place for them, they could build this site in just 62 hours, which would probably would have taken them months. And this is just one side of the advantages. Our solution comes from a portal background where the messages was integration, integration, integration. So when using a solution like this, if there are different systems in a company, with a single click or with some minimal configuration, our customers can include and integrate data into the current system, which can be used to improve their customer experience.
So we can use different kinds of systems, and then we get the implementation on this, as you said, DXP platform, right?
Yes. For example, if you want to build an internet solution, it's easy to connect to your current authentication provider. So you don't need to recreate the users. Additionally, all of our data and all of our functionalities are available through API. So when somebody wants to enter a lot of data from an existing system, it can be done by easily integrating into a middleware system or just putting data in through the API.
Do you see that people now are more interested in this kind of solutions during the COVID-19 pandemic?
Yes, definitely. So the digitalization of companies have sped up and took a crazy speed. A lot of companies who already done the groundwork for digitalization have a lot of benefits already, but there are also companies who are looking for a solution with which they can properly work in the current environment. So it definitely sped up things, and it also widened the circle of people who have access to digitalization. Nowadays, everybody is, for example, ordering food online, and not just young people who previously were driving most of the need for digital services. Now everybody understands the benefits of the digitalization, and everybody uses this. But this was not just a trend because of coronavirus. It was already a trend before that, but coronavirus really sped things up.
So we cannot say that the coronavirus is the reason that we have a revolution in digital transformation. It only accelerated.
Yes. So we as we are a digitalization company, we are checking analyst data, and we are running researches all over the globe to understand what is happening towards the digitalization. And just an example, we just had a breakfast for insurance companies, and we were sharing that one of the global reports shared that insurance companies will increase their spending on customer experience by 5.9% by 2022. And this research was done before coronavirus, so the numbers are clearly changing, and we will need to see how the market will respond. But this is not a new trend, and we see that this will go for a longer time.
If we look at the digital transformation that has been in over for a few years, well, not just a few years, but a couple of years, do you see some things that will never be the same looking at the digital transformation because of this COVID pandemic, or do you just see this one trend that is during last couple of years, as I said?
There will be definite changes on how we think about business. In the previous years, when we were planning for business continuity, we put together very extensive plans because from Hungary we provide support for all of our EMEA customers, and we need to ensure that support works even if something like this happens. So we put together these plans, and we've never thought that we will ever need to use these plans. And it turned out that actually this pandemic is completely changing the landscape, which we have never thought before. I'm happy to say that we could respond really well, and our support staff was doing an excellent job. And while we are working from home office, in March, we had our best customer experience so far. Our customer satisfaction score was 100% during the month of March. So, to answer your question, this will definitely change how we are thinking about digitalization and how we are building out our systems. I believe that every company will think through what would happen if a next coronavirus would happen in the long run.
Well, looking at the IT environment, IT companies, we can say that it is one of this kind of brands when we can say home office, no problem, right? Like everything they do, they can do from home. They don't need to go to office and work from there. So, do you looking at the digital transformation? Do you see? What trends do you foresee in the nearest future? I mean, like 5-10 years from now.
So digital transformation will be really strong. It will be really strong in 2021, and it will continue for the decade. And analysts are sharing that they cannot be sure about so many things, but this is one important thing which they are sure of. So everybody will start implementing digital changes in their industry, and they will spend more on customer experience and providing exceptional customer experience. What this means is that we will see more and more personalized content coming from the companies, and we will have way better engagement through the conversations with them. They will also spend a lot of work on providing better user experience on their websites, because it's really important for every company to provide a frictionless experience for all of their customers. What I want to emphasize, and digital transformation might be a little bit frightening for some people, is that every company who thinks about digital transformation must keep empathy in the customer experience journey. So there must be people behind these services. However, all the complex and unnecessary workflows need to be seamlessly integrated and avoided if possible, and all the data need to be used to provide a better personalized experience for everyone.
Thank you very much, sir, for this conversation. My guest and yours was Zsolt Balogh from Liferay.
Thank you so much.